Welcome to 7084 McCall. So here we have a big opportunity of an investment property. It composed of this Key West style home plus 7 villas that are in the back. This is currently being rented as an Airbnb and Vrbo and is located in Englewood, Florida. Come inside with me. Step into the main house. As I mentioned, this is the Key West style home. So here we have an open floor plan. The home composes of 4 bedrooms. And as you see, we have a beautiful living room here. The floors are tile, and this is the most amazing thing on this property. Take a look at this. Right behind us is Lemon Bay, which beautiful crystal waters. And the plus about this particular property, of course, you have a swimming pool. The swimming pool belongs to the house, but right now it's being used by all the guests. So here you also have a private beach, and this is the Gulf Caribbean waters. You also have a deep waterfront dock where you can park your boat, and as you see, most of the homeowners do have that. You have a long patio. Underneath, you also have an area for barbecue. And we have a beautiful kitchen, fully equipped, as you see. Of course, everything here that you can imagine. We have fully equipped with dishes, coffee maker, everything. So this is kind of like one of those that you can buy and start producing income right away. It's all very well equipped for guests, full of dishes, everything else, and it has 4 bedrooms, and then we have 4 bathrooms. Let's take a quick look at some of the bedrooms. The master suite comes with their own bathroom. Everything is set up with Wi-Fi. You have towels, all the equipment, beach towels, you have kayakers, you have paddle boards, everything's in here. The plus about this particular property is that the income here on the West Coast is growing on an annual basis. In 2022, the property produced about $375K a year. This year, we're estimating that we're gonna earn about over $500,000. So each year is growing. And as you know, Florida has become a very good resort destination, especially the West Coast, because it's more quiet, more tranquil, and more appealing to people that don't want to be around noise and big cities. And of course, you know, we have the Gulf of Mexico. Let's go and check out some of the other rooms. We have another bedroom, and of course, 3 of the bedrooms that are designed with one bed. We have a king size here, we have a king size on the master, and a double bed in there. Upstairs, I'm gonna take you so you can see the other room. So this is the loft, and in here we also have this equipped for 10 people. As you see the 2 beds in here, you have 2, 4, and then 6, and that over there pulls out. So if you have a bunch of kids, they can actually sleep in there. But take a look at the view, it's incredible. We're gonna go and take a quick peek outside so that way you see why you're gonna get this property. This is Florida weather, beginning of May, and we are already in summer, 80 degrees. This property has 6 bungalows plus a little studio right here as you walk in. Let's come this way. We have an area here that you can actually do picnics, barbecue. So a large family, 2 or 3 families can easily stay on this house. So here we are at the water, like I said, Lemon Bay, and as you can see, we have a docking space right here. The water below is probably about, during low tide, about 10 feet, so you can actually dock a larger boat in here. I mean, take a look at this amazing view and the water. Wouldn't you like to invest in Florida? So if you like this, give us a call, 305-877-4453, and click the link down below.